Yes.
Yes, so welcome everyone. So, welcome everyone. Welcome everyone in the event of Present Tech 2021. So we welcome you all to this session. We welcome Professor Atre sir, HOD from Walchand College of Engineering and Technology, Sangli. For last three sessions, we have analyzed the data from January 2020. So from this session, we continue the analysis of remaining months from this session. So Shruti will start with today's session. So Shruti, please start the session.
Okay, before
Thank you,
proceeding,
Pratham.
yeah, before proceeding to the session, let me introduce today's one more guest, Mr. Jagannath Daingre. Jagannath, am I audible? Jagannath.
Hello?
Yeah, yes, Jagannath, are you there? No?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, okay. So
Oh,
today we have one more guest, Mr. Jagannath Daingre. He is a entrepreneur and alumni from our institute. He is from 2017 batch. He has started his own firm, Invisible Electrical. He's working in Sangli. He's taking some government contracts now. So he is with us today. Okay, and along with him, today we have Professor Vaya Ratre. He's a former head of the Department of Electrical Engineering from Walchand College of Engineering, Sangli. So welcome you, welcome both of you, sir. Yeah, now you
okay.
start the
Thank you, sir.
session. Yeah, now you start the session, Shruti. It's over to you.
Thank you, sir. Myself, Shraddha Jadhav. Until now, we had seen the analyzed data for first 6 months. Now we will see the next month, that is July 2020. Now we will see the analyzed data for the month of July. Here is the comparison between hydro, wind, and solar generation. There is a more generation by using wind source, and there is a less generation by using solar source. In hydro generation in the month of July 20 was 782.81 mega units at the average of 25.26 mega units per day. Maximum hydro generation was 43.50 mega units on 14 July 2020. Hydro generation growth by 36% compared to last year of the same month, and it was 574 mega units. Wind generation. Total wind generation in the month was 2,328 mega units at the average of 75.1 mega units per day. Maximum renewable generation, that is wind plus solar, in July 20 was 9,214 megawatt on 12 July 20 at 15 hours. Solar generation. Solar generation of 762 mega units generated in the month of July 20 at the average of 25 mega units per day. Solar generation increased by 21% as compared to the last year of the same month, and it was 618 mega units. Maximum solar generation of 3900 megawatt achieved on 27 July 20 at 13 hours. Now we will see the frequency profile. Here we have analyzed the data for whole month from 1st July to 31st July with maximum, minimum and average frequencies per day. So after analyzing this data, we can see that the system frequency remains in IEGC, that is Indian Electricity Grid Code, up to 49.9 Hz to 50.05 Hz. For the month of July, the maximum frequency of 50.39 Hz and it is observed on 5th of July 2020. The minimum frequency of 49.62 Hz and it was observed on 14th July 2020. Average maximum frequency is of 50.06 Hz and average minimum frequency was 49.95 Hz. Now we will see the voltage profile. Here we plot the graph of voltage generation in each station and average voltage in each station. The maximum voltage for the month of July was 439 volt at Kalwa station and minimum voltage of 480 volt at Dehgam station. Minimum average voltage of 402.5 volt at Gwalior station and average maximum voltage of 423.5 volt at Raigad station. Now we will see the generation outages. Here we plot the graph of total generation outages per day. Maximum planned, there are two types of outages, that is planned and forced outages. Maximum planned outage was 29,613 mega units and it was observed on 8th of July 2020. Maximum forced outage was 12,931 mega units on 31st of July. Total maximum outage for month of July was 42,298 mega units on 9th of July 2020. Now we will see the uh, comparison of hourly load curve for Western region and Maharashtra. Hourly demand curve on regional minimum day, that is 6th of July 2020 at 4 hours. In case of Western region, it was 35,320 megawatt, and in case of Maharashtra, it was 13,006 megawatt. Then we will see the hourly demand curve on regional peak hourly demand curve on regional peak day on 31st July 2020. In Western region, it was 32,233 megawatt, and in case of Maharashtra, it was 10,888 megawatts. Now, after analyzing this data, we conclude that the Western region has met gross peak demand of 47,860 megawatt at 11 hours on 31st July 2020. It was 8.86% lower as compared to July 19, and it was 52,509 megawatt. Average demand met 42,227 megawatt, decreased by 5.34% compared to the last year, that July 19, and it was 44,610 megawatts. Total energy consumption was 31,591 mega units in the month of July 20 at an average of 1,019 mega units per day, and maximum was 1,089 mega units on 28th of July 2020. Average energy consumption decreased by 4.85% compared to the last year, July 19, and it was 1071 mega units. Average energy consumption increased by 8.02% as compared to the last month, that is June 20. Now we will see the analyzed data for the month of August. Now here is the comparison between renewable energy sources such as hydro, wind and solar. From graph, it is observed that there is a more generation by using wind energy source and there is a less generation by using solar energy source. Hydro generation in the month of August 20 was 1621.86 mega units at an average of 40.71 mega units per day. Maximum hydro generation was 83.80 mega units on 25th of August. Hydro generation increased by 26% as compared to last year of the same month, and it was 1,713 mega units. Wind generation. Total wind generation in the month was 3,549 mega units at an average of 114.5 mega units per day in the month of August 20. Wind generation growth by 22% compared to last year of the same month, and it was 2,903 mega units. Maximum wind generation during August 20 was 8,910 megawatts observed on 12th August 20 at 16 hours. Maximum renewable generation, that is wind plus solar, in August 20 was 10,639 megawatt on 25th August 20 at 12 hours. Solar generation of 575 mega units generated in the month of August 20 at an average of 19 mega units per day. Solar generation decreased by 4% as compared to the last year of the same month, and it was 601 mega units. Maximum solar generation of 3,693 megawatt achieved on 2nd August 2020 at 12 hours. Now we will see the frequency profile. Here we have analyzed the data of whole month from 1st August to 31st August with maximum, minimum and average frequency. So after analyzing this data, we can see that the System frequency remains in IEGC, that is Indian Electricity Grid Code, up to 49.9 Hz to 50.0 Hz. For the month of August, the maximum frequency of 50.23 Hz, and it was observed on 30th August. Minimum frequency of 49.6 Hz, and it was observed on 31st August 2020. Average minimum frequency for the month of August was 49.97 Hz, and average maximum frequency was 50.02 Hz. Now we will see the voltage profile. Here we plot the graph of voltage generation in each station and average voltage in each station. For the month of August, maximum voltage is of 439 volt and it is observed at Dhule and Kalwa station, and minimum voltage of 489 volt at Gwalior station. Average minimum voltage for the month of August was 410 volt and it is observed at Bhopal station, and average maximum voltage was 420.5 volt at Wardha station. Now we will see the generation outages. There are two types of outages: planned outages and forced outages. From graph, it is observed that we plot the graph of planned total outages in mega units. For the month of August, maximum planned outages was 34,851 mega units observed on 15th August 2020. Maximum forced outage was 15,869 mega units and it is observed on 28th of August 2020. Total maximum outage for the month of August was 45,809 and it is observed on 30th August 2020. Now we will see the comparison of hourly load curve of Western region and Maharashtra. Hourly demand curve on regional minimum day 16th August 2020 at 2 hours. In case of Western region, it was 32,233 megawatt, and in case of Maharashtra, 10,880 megawatts. Now, hourly demand curve on regional peak day, that is 31st, that is 31st August. In case of Western region, it was 32,233, and in case of Maharashtra, it is 16,657. And after seeing all the analyzed data, we conclude that the Western region has met gross peak demand of 46,427 megawatt at 11 hours on 1st August 20. It was 2.53% lower as compared to August 19, and it was 47,633 megawatt. Average demand met, that is 39,288 megawatt, decreased by 4.96% compared to last year, August 19, 41,338 megawatt. Total energy consumption was 29,405 mega units in the month of August 20 at an average of 949 mega units per day, and maximum was 1,068 mega units on 1 August 20. Average energy consumption decreased by 4.33% compared to last year, that is August 19, and it was 992 mega units. Average energy consumption decreased by 7.43% compared to last month, that is July 20. Now I hand over the further session to my friend Shruti.
Thank you, Shraddha. My name is Shruti. Now I will explain analyzed data of September 2020 for Western region. So, in this slide, we will see the comparison between hydro, solar, and wind generation. We see that hydro generation is higher than wind and solar. That is, hydro generation in the month of September 20 was 2086.29 mega units at the average of 69.54 mega units per day. That is, hydro generation increased by 11.42% compared to last year of the same month. Next, total generation. Total wind generation in month was 1,151 mega units at the average of 38.4 mega units per day in the month of September 20. Wind generation decreased by 31.16% compared by last year same month, that is 1,672 mega units. Solar generation. Solar generation of 764 mega units generated in the month of September 20. at the average of 25 mega units per day. Solar generation increased by 38.9% compared to last year same month, that is 550 mega units. Now we will see frequency profile of September 2020. System frequency remain in IEGC band, that is Indian Electricity Grid Code, for 84.23% of the time in this month. Average frequency was 50 Hz and frequency deviation index was 0.16. Maximum frequency of 50.2 Hz was observed on 26 September at 6 am. Minimum frequency 49.64 Hz was observed on 24th September at 6 pm. Next, we have C voltage profile for this month. In Western region, there are 26 stations in which maximum voltage observed in September 20 is 440 at Dhule station and minimum voltage was 390 at Gwalior station. In this slide, we have see the first graph of minimum and maximum voltage at each station, and second graph we have see each station average voltages in September 20. Now we have see generation outages. Now we know that outages means power off. So planned outages means sometimes we need to interrupt our supply to carry out essential maintenance. And forced outages means outages due to unexpected breakdown because of equipment failure, operator error, or natural disasters. Okay, so total outages is the summation of planned outages and forced outages. First graph show that generation outages, that is total outages. Then second graph, red line indicate the outages in previous month. Then green line indicate the total outages in this month, that is September 20. So we conclude that in August 20, outages is more than the outages is less than the September 20. That is means this month is higher out. This month has higher outages, and always forced outages is less than the planned outages. Now, comparison of hourly demand curve of Western region and Maharashtra. So we know the demand curve means actual demand with respect to hours. So regional minimum day for September 2020 is 1 September. So in 1 September, there in Western region 36,243 megawatt demand observed at 3 am, and in Maharashtra 13,551 megawatt at 3 am. So comparison of hourly demand curve of Western region and Maharashtra on regional peak day, that is 29 September. So in 29 September, 14,368 megawatts observed demand at 11 am and 18,447 megawatt observed in Maharashtra. So from this we can conclude that Western region has met gross peak demand of 49,368 megawatt at 11 hours on 10 September 2020. It was 6.72% higher as compared to September 90. Average demand meet 44,288 megawatt, increased by 7.52% compared to last year September 19. Total energy consumption was 32,147 mega units in the month of September 20 at the average of 1,063 mega units per day, and maximum was 1,128 mega units on 9 September 20. Average energy consumption increased by 7.52% compared to last year September 19. Average energy consumption increased by 8.52% compared to the last month, that is average 20. So today we had seen analyzed data during lockdown period, that is July, August, September. There is the highest energy consumption in September 20 as compared to these 3 months. So tomorrow we will see the remaining 3 months of the year 2020. Now I am requesting to our guest Please share your valuable suggestion for this presentation.
Yes, sir. Professor Atre, sir. Atre, sir, am I audible?
हॅलो.
Yes, sir.
हा, आता आवाज येतो ना?
Yes, sir. You are audible.
हा,
Your
very
views,
nice,
sir.
very nice representation by all the students. Only thing, one point is, what I observed, that is information I can say. The Gwalior station, which is the one of the where the voltage was lowest, it was observed. So, is there any reason, specific reason for that? Have you got any information? Hello.
Yes,
Hi,
sir.
yes, sir.
Only I observed that what you are giving the information, the Gwalior station is having Gwalior in MP, no?
Yes, yes.
So it is observed that what you are telling, the voltage is very low compared with other stations in Maharashtra, in MP. So is there any particular reason for that? So, from all the data we presented, it is observed. Is there any particular reason? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is there any particular reason? Do you know anything? Why that is all the time it is information is like this only. So that is my question. That's all.
Yes. Shruti, is there any reason you have found in the report?
Sir,
No, no.
I have not searched, sir.
That is
I will give an answer tomorrow, sir. Please.
okay.
If you
Anyway,
permit.
that is. There may be some. I can say the feeder going will be having more length. That voltage drop will be more, and because of that, that particular Gwalior station may be having a lower voltage. That is, these are the physical things. If you have got any information, that would be better. That's all.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you.
I understood my particular. You
Yes,
can say
sir.
what
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
because all the time I had observed that only one particular station is facing minimum, that is lowest
Lower
voltage.
voltage. Yeah. Yeah.
Lower voltage. So what is the reason? That is the only question.
Okay.
Anything,
Okay, sir.
that is a good thing. You have
I
presented very.
promise, sir. Tomorrow there will be answer ready for this question.
If you get the answer, because that is a physical information, you have to contact the maybe Karwa station, and from there you may get the information. Okay,
Okay, sir.
very fine.
Yes, Dr. Gopinath, sir.
Yes, yes. Yeah, please.
Yeah, your valuable views.
Yeah, it was really a very good initiative, and I would like to congratulate the coordinator and also the students who have taken very good effort for effort towards this particular present tech. This is a very useful session for everybody to understand what is happening, what may be the peak demand, average demand, and what will be the energy consumption, etc., and what might be the reason behind everything. Has been clearly presented by the student, and some more improvisation is always there. Okay, anyhow, my best wishes and congratulations to everybody who have taken part in this event and making this event a very good one. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Yes, Jagannath. Jagannath, am I audible? Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes.
हा सर, नक्कीच चांगलं प्रेझेंटेशन होतं. मला फक्त एवढं विचारायचं होतं की जे आता सोलर ऑफ ग्रीड सिस्टीम पण भरपूर कंपनीमध्ये ते यूज केलं जातं. मग ते जनरेशनमध्ये म्हणजे जेवढं जनरेशन होतं त्यामध्ये ते तुम्ही केलं का मेजरमेंट, म्हणजे त्यामध्ये ऍडिशन करून तुम्ही बघितलेलं का बाहेर एवढे ऑफग्रीड मध्ये पण एवढे जास्त सोलरचे ते जनरेशन होतं, मग ते पण पकडलेलं का फक्त नेट ऑन ग्रीड सिस्टीम फक्त घेतलेली डोक्यामध्ये, म्हणजे ऍडिशन करताना?
अच्छा. हे जेवढं लोड डिस्पॅच सेंटरला आपल्या वेस्टर्न रिजन झोन मध्ये जेवढे पण आहेत कंपनीज अटॅच, त्या सगळ्या कंपनी इथं कन्सिडर केलेल्या आहेत. आता काही प्रायव्हेट असतील कंपन्याच ज्यांनी सुरू केले असतील रिसेंटली, तो डेटा यांनी आता अपडेट केलाय की नाही ते पाहावं लागेल एकदा. पण मला माझ्या माहितीनुसार जेवढं वेस्टर्न झोन मध्ये जेवढ्या जनरेशन कंपनीज आहेत तेवढा
हा.
सगळा डेटा इथं आपण ठेवलेला आहे.
हो. कारण आजकाल सर मी स्वतः सोलर सिस्टम मध्ये काम करतो. त्यामुळे भरपूर ऑफ-ग्रीड सिस्टमची सिस्टम भरपूर कंपन्या लावत आहेत आता सध्या.
अच्छा. हा.
आणि सोलरमध्ये पण याच्या पुढे आता आपण जे तुम्ही सांगितलं वाईन हायड्रोमध्ये जास्त जनरेशन होतं. पण माझ्या मते थोड्या एक वर्षा 2 वर्षांनी भरपूर सोलरमध्ये जनरेशन भरपूर होणार आहे आणि कारण प्राइस एकदम भरपूर कमी झाले. जेव्हा आता मागच्या वर्षी जवळपास ₹38 पर वॅटने जेव्हा पॅनल मिळत होते तेच आता 19-20 रुपये पर वॅट पॅनल मिळायला लागले. त्यामुळे सोलर जनरेशन पुढे पुढे वाढत जाईल असं वाटतंय.
Good. Huge scope is there for solar power generation.
येस सर.
Jagannath, you just share your profile and where you are working, what you are doing exactly. Can you share your profile with our students?
येस सर.
मराठीत बोल, काही
मी
प्रॉब्लेम नाही. हा, मराठीत बोल.
हो.
म्हणजे जास्त पोहोचेल ते सगळ्यांपर्यंत. ठीक आहे.
हो, बरोबर नाही. कशी मायबोली जरा जास्त मनापासून होते आणि समजतंही सगळ्यांना. तर मी आता सोलर हायमस्ट पोल यामध्ये सध्या काम करतोय. सोलर ऑन ग्रीड, सोलर ऑफ ग्रीड, सोलर स्ट्रीट लाईट सिस्टीम आणि जास्त करून आता हायमस्ट पोल म्हणजे जे आपल्या मेन चौकामध्ये जे 9 मीटर 12.5 मीटर जे पोल लावले जातात. ते माझ्याकडे आता कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट मिळतात त्याचे. तर आता त्याला सोलरमध्ये ते आता पुढे भरपूर स्कोप तयार होत आहे कारण त्यामध्ये कॉस्टिंग भरपूर त्याची कमी होत आहे आणि पुढे जर आपल्या ह्या बॅच मधील काही जर पुढे बिझनेस करणार असतील तर सोलर किंवा आपले ॲज अ इलेक्ट्रिकल कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर तुम्ही तुमच्यासाठी चांगला नक्कीच स्कोप आहे तर तुम्ही ते करू शकता नक्कीच.
गुड. आता याला इनलाईन आम्ही आणखीन एक वर्कशॉप्स घेतोय पुढच्या वीक मध्ये. ते मे बी
हा.
स्टार्ट करू आम्ही. आणि म्हणजे
हा.
जे कोण आता कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर लाईन मध्ये आता सगळी लोक आहेत, मला माहित नाही
हा.
तुम्ही कितपत ते स्टँडर्ड्स आता रेफर करता. इंडियन
हा.
स्टँडर्ड्सचं नॉलेज आपल्याला बिंग अ कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर हवं असणार आहे. ठीक आहे ना. कुठले स्टँडर्ड्स
हो,
आपल्याला
बरोबर.
वापरले पाहिजेत. तर त्या रिलेटेड जवळपास 50च्या वर स्टँडर्ड्स आता डेटा आमच्याकडे कलेक्ट झालेला आहे, जे आता यूज मध्ये आहेत स्टँडर्ड्स. BISच्या वेबसाईट
हा.
वरून तो सगळा डेटा आमच्या मुलांनी या टीमनं सगळ्या खूप सुंदर काम केलेलं आहे. तर तेही ट्रेनिंग
हा.
प्रोग्राम आम्ही सुरू करणार आहे. तर तुझे आणि तुझ्या रिलेटेड जेवढे पण लोक आता कार्यरत आहेत, तुमचा
हो.
काही ग्रुप असेल कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर लोकांचा, तर त्यापर्यंत आम्हाला पोहोचायला जरा संधी तू दिलास तर खूप चांगलं होईल. जेणेकरून
हो, नक्की सर.
रिसेंट जे आता स्टँडर्ड यूज मध्ये आहेत ते सगळे स्टँडर्डचा तुमच्यासाठी आम्ही ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम ठेवू. आणि काय ते अगदी सुरुवातीचं काय तर आपण एकदम फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट घेणार आहे. जसं त्याला आणखीन डीप नॉलेज हवं असेल तसं आमची एक टीम तयार करणार आहे आम्ही, जेणेकरून त्यातनं काय आम्हाला नॉलेज बेस काही थोडंसं कन्सल्टन्सी देता येते का आमच्या डिपार्टमेंट थ्रू, ह्याचाही पुढे विचार आम्ही करणार आहे. तर थोडंसं तुम्ही लोकांची मदत पाहिजे. तू आमचा विद्यार्थी आहेस आणि तूच आम्हाला त्यापर्यंत पोहोचवू शकतेस, तुमची टीम पोहोचवू शकते. तेव्हा आमचे काही एक्सपेक्टेशन आहे बिंग डिपार्टमेंट प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट स्टुडंटच्या साईडनं पण.
ओके सर. नक्कीच सर. नक्कीच करू.
येस. ठीक आहे. प्रथमेश, यू जस्ट कन्क्लूड द सेशन. प्रथमेश.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So I am very humbled to say a thank you to Mr. Y.R. Atre sir and Mr. Jagannath Dengade sir, Gopinath sir for allotting his precious time for our seminar. I would like to extend a special thanks to Mr. Bhagwan sir for inspiring us. So now we will share a quiz link in chat box. Please attend the quiz link. Thank you.
Yeah, all are requested to attend that quiz. It's a hardly matter of 5 minutes. 5 questions will be there. So all are requested to attempt that quiz. Thank you. Yeah, please check your chat box. It is available. That link is shared with you.